Welcome back to Walkthrough Wednesday, where I go and snoop around people's homes. My jaw dropped when I walked in this home. It's absolutely beautiful. We're on the St.Johns River right now. I cannot explain to you how beautiful this home is, so let's go take a look. Let me tell y'all, I'm glad I wore my silk today because this house is bougie, okay? When we first walk up, we have this beautiful entryway, big ceilings, okay? And then all I can think is it's Christmas time. Can you think of all the Christmas decorations you can put out here? Perfect, okay? So we're gonna walk in, jaw dropping, okay? You ready? When we first walk in, we're gonna come to the right and you just have a little dining room. Cute little dining room and a cute fixture. I love how many windows this house has. The natural light, so much better than artificial light. We love it. We need to take a moment for this kitchen. You guys know I love the kitchen. It's my favorite part of the house. But this kitchen right here, beautiful, okay? My favorite part, let's come around here. Come around here. Now, does anybody else get up in the middle of the night for a midnight snack and probably stub your feet on something? These lights right here will take that away. You can even dim them, right? Innovative to the max. This is a nice refrigerator. If you buy this house, I'll fill the food for you. Work our way through. We have the microwave, which is below the countertops, which is perfect because nobody wants to see that up in the cabinets. And then we work our way to the sink. Now, a lot of houses are starting to have the undermounted sinks because it gives the counters just a little bit more fuller and open look. It's beautiful, love it. You know me, double-decker ovens. Now, my second favorite part of the house is the pantry. You could do cartwheels in this pantry. Are you kidding? The amount of food you could put in here? Unbelievable. This can be your mudroom, but it's also a laundry room. It's where you wash your dirty clothes. Okay, then right here, this is your garage, a nice 2-car garage. Now, we have an electric fireplace, and this mantle is real wood, beautiful. Then when you come this way, we have a half bath that connects to the outside. Cool. That's bougie right there. And with this house, you have a very big open floor plan. You have so many activities, or if you just want more furniture, that's cool too. We're gonna come and take a look at the sleeping quarters. Okay, right here we have the master or the primary bedroom. I love the windows. The ceilings are beautiful. We're gonna walk in here. We have a his and hers closet, and then a very beautiful bathroom. 2 sinks, big shower, very big shower. And then a tub, because we all need to relax sometimes. Now let's go take a look at the other bedrooms. Come on. So once we leave the primary bedroom, we have this little coat closet. Hang up all your coats, whatever you want to do with it. Keep walking. Right here on the right, we have another bedroom. Each bedroom has their own closet and their own window, which I love the natural light. Love it. Right here, we have another bathroom. We have 2 sinks. Now, most importantly, is it slam proof? Yes, perfect. And then another shower. After the bathroom, we have another bedroom right here, a little bit bigger than the one we were just in. This one has 2 windows. Love it. Closet, just another bedroom. And then one last bedroom right here. But the different thing about this bedroom is the ceilings are way higher. Absolutely beautiful. 3 windows this time instead of just 1, and it has its own closet. Wait, let's take a look at how big this closet is. Yeah, if I lived here, I need to go shopping to fill this closet. Now, I know I usually save the best for last, which is usually the kitchen or something, but truly this part right here is my absolute favorite. We're on the St. Johns River, and this house has its own dock. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go take a look. So what's really cool with this house is you have your own little back patio. It's covered, so you know it's Florida. When that thunderstorm hits, you're safe under here. And this is where you put a boat. I need to give the back of this house another moment because it's absolutely stunning. Just look. Thank y'all for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. If this home was not for you, that's okay. Every single Wednesday we go tour new homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, where we post new videos every single Wednesday. Also, the Rakers Home Group does new community homes featuring new communities in the area. Don't forget, this could be the key to your dream home right on the St. Johns River in Fleming Island, Florida. So stay tuned to next Walkthrough Wednesday when we go snoop through other people's houses. We'll see y'all next time.